Okay, vlog, welcome to this new series called Microphone POV. So Trevor, I'm gonna follow you as if I was getting audio from you. So how about you walk? Start walking.
Walk?
No, yep,
you
there you go.
always
Walk.
make sure the microphone is facing the mouth of your actor for maximum audio clarity.
As close
and
as possible at all times.
If it's touching their lips, you can really, get the sense. You can almost feel how they form their words. And you can,
Welcome. Today we are filming some more Parallel Pictures things. We are wrapping up the last, the beginning and the ending scene of our little short film that we're making for Nature's Hangout. So it consists of Andrew packing up some things. Okay, so I'm here at the hammock that I just set up in the bug net. So then I'm gonna try to put up this rain fly if it'll focus. Woohoo! Gonna try to put up that by myself with my music, but I kind of forgot how, so we're gonna wing it and see if it turns out. Okay, so my camera died. We're still setting up the hammock. I kind of messed it up, but it looks fine. So we're setting up some ladders and getting the hoses ready so we can make it look like it's raining in here. It'll be pretty cool.
Hello, Parallel Pictures vlog. I'm up here having a very tremendous time. We're about to start shooting the rain. We're sitting up here. We've got the hose set up, and we're gonna make it rain. I'm gonna drop the camera. You ready? We're gonna make it rain. I'll see you next time on the Parallel Pictures vlog.
Andrew, look at me. Oh my gosh!
We're gonna be filming a rain scene, so I've donned the classic yellow rain jacket. Gonna give it a go with the rain fly. Stop squirting me, Trevor.
What are the odds you get my camera wet?
1 and 1.
Ah! What are you doing, Trevor? Trevor, I want you to hit this leaf with water.
Okay.
The one I'm pointing at. Go.
We're doing the rain shoot, the last part of the Nature's Hangout shoot. We've got 2 ladders, each with their own hose. So we got Trevor over there. Basically, both people spray up into the trees. Go ahead and do it, guys. And then it makes this really sick rainstorm looking thing. And that's how we're gonna show the features of the rain fly for your hammock.
Okay, vlog, I gotta go up and be on hose duty and try to have the camera up there and do the hose, and Trevor's spraying water at me, so it's really difficult. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a quick time lapse. Hopefully that works out. What's wrong with your camera?
Freaking wet. 2, 1, and action.
Hey, hello vlog, welcome back. We're wrapping up the filming, doing some last couple shots with Andrew inside. Evan's setting up, Trevor's setting up some lights, so hopefully that will be good. It is the last couple minutes of light. I am spraying water at a tree, and my camera can't see anything.
So basically, we just spent like, how long?
Time is now like almost 7.
Like 3 hours to create one
Like 10 seconds.
10, like it's probably gonna be like a 15-second segment in a 4-minute video.
Okay vlog, good day, good shoot. I think we're done here.
Yep.
Yeah. Do you like these? Watch this. Oh, I got this. Ready? Focus.
Oh!